Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best laptop for Fusion 360 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. When it comes to designing complex 3D models or running resource-intensive simulations in Fusion 360, choosing the right laptop can make all the difference. The best laptop for Fusion 360 combines high-performance components like a powerful processor, dedicated graphics card, ample RAM, and a fast SSD to handle demanding workflows effortlessly. Whether you're an engineer, product designer, or architect, having a laptop that balances performance and portability ensures smooth multitasking and precision. From rendering intricate designs to executing complex simulations, the ideal laptop optimizes your productivity without compromise. Let's explore what makes a laptop perfect for Fusion 360 and key options available. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best laptop for Fusion 360. Let's begin. At number 5 is ASUS ROG Zephyrus S15. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus S15 is a powerhouse designed for professionals and gamers seeking top-tier performance in a sleek, portable form. Powered by the Intel Core i7-10875H processor, this laptop excels in handling demanding tasks, from intensive 3D modeling in Fusion 360 to high-resolution video editing. Its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super with ROG Boost delivers unparalleled graphics performance, ensuring smooth rendering, ray tracing, and flawless visuals for immersive experiences. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a blazing 300 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time elevates clarity and responsiveness, making it perfect for design work and fast-paced gaming alike. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, multitasking is seamless, even with resource-heavy applications. The 1TB RAID 0, 512 plus 512, PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD provides lightning-fast storage, drastically reducing load times and enhancing overall productivity. Thunderbolt 3 and Gig Plus Wi-Fi 6 ensure unmatched connectivity for high-speed data transfers and stable internet performance. Running on Windows 10 Professional, the Zephyrus S15 offers robust tools for professional workflows. Its premium build, advanced thermal management, and cutting-edge features make it an ideal choice for professionals who demand the best in computing power, mobility, and reliability. At number 4 is Dell XPS 13, 9310. The Dell XPS 13, 9310, stands out as a masterpiece of engineering and performance, combining elegant design with cutting-edge technology. Its 13.4-inch Full HD Infinity Edge touch display offers a near-borderless viewing experience, boasting a crisp 1920 by 1200 resolution, anti-reflective coating, and a remarkable 500 nit brightness. This display ensures vivid colors and sharp visuals, ideal for creative professionals and everyday users alike. Powered by the 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1185G7 processor with a maximum turbo frequency of 4.8 GHz, this laptop delivers robust performance for multitasking, content creation, and productivity. The Dell XPS 13 features 16 GB of LPDDR4X 4267 MHz RAM for seamless multitasking and a 512 GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD for lightning-fast storage and quick access to files. The Intel Iris Xe graphics provides impressive visual performance for light creative tasks, streaming, and entertainment. Connectivity is equally advanced, with killer Wi-Fi 6AX1650 and Bluetooth 5.1 ensuring reliable, high-speed wireless performance. Its sleek, lightweight design enhances portability without compromising on power, making it an excellent companion for professionals and students on the go. The Dell XPS 13, 9310, embodies precision, performance, and style, making it a top-tier choice for those seeking premium ultrabook functionality. At number 3 is ASUS ZenBook Flip 13. The ASUS ZenBook Flip 13 redefines versatility and style, making it a standout option for professionals and creatives seeking portable power. Its 13.3-inch OLED Full HD display with 4-way nano-edge bezels offers a stunning visual experience with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, perfect for editing, design, or streaming. Running on Windows 10 Professional, the Flip 13 combines robust features and a user-friendly interface tailored for productivity. Under the hood, it features the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135 G7 quad-core processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.7 GHz, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Paired with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, the ZenBook Flip 13 provides fast storage and memory, reducing load times and boosting efficiency. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring seamless integration with various devices and peripherals. The laptop's sleek aluminum body weighs just 2.87 pounds and measures 0.55 inches thick, making it incredibly portable for on-the-go professionals. With its innovative design, powerful internals, and exceptional display, the ASUS ZenBook Flip 13 is a perfect blend of style, performance, and flexibility. At number 2 is Lenovo IdeaPad 1 15.6-inch. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 15.6-inch laptop is a sleek, lightweight companion designed for effortless multitasking and entertainment on the go. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor with UMA architecture and a 20W thermal design point, it delivers snappy performance for browsing, streaming, and handling everyday tasks across multiple tabs without lag. This thin and compact laptop weighs just 3.5 pounds, making it a highly portable choice that won't weigh you down. The IdeaPad 1 enhances your viewing experience with a borderless display, maximizing screen space for binge-worthy shows and creative projects. Complementing the visuals, its dual Dolby audio speakers provide clear and immersive sound, ensuring an enjoyable media experience. The 720p camera features a physical privacy shutter, keeping your personal life private while ensuring crystal-clear video calls with smart noise-canceling technology minimizing disruptions. With 12 hours of battery life and rapid charge support, you can stay productive and entertained all day. The 512GB storage ensures ample space for files, photos, and videos, even without internet access. The Flip to Start feature makes it quick to jump into action, turning on instantly as you open the lid. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 combines style, performance, and convenience in one versatile package. Now moving to the last one is HP Pavilion 15.6-inch. The HP Pavilion 15.6-inch laptop is a powerful blend of performance and versatility, built to handle gaming, multitasking, and everyday computing with ease. Equipped with a 9th-generation Intel Core i5-9300H quad-core processor, it offers speeds up to 4.1 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost, ensuring seamless execution of demanding applications and the latest games like Fortnite, PUBG, and Overwatch. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4GB GDDR5 dedicated memory brings immersive gaming realism with real-time ray tracing technology, making it VR/MR ready. The 15.6-inch diagonal Full HD IPS anti-glare micro-edge display delivers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, supported by a 60Hz refresh rate for smooth performance. An 8GB DDR4-2400 SDRAM, expandable via accessible memory slots, paired with a 256GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, ensures fast boot times, efficient multitasking, and rapid file transfers. Engineered with an optimized thermal design and IR sensors, the laptop stays cool under pressure, enhancing both performance and acoustics. Advanced security features check PC health, secure local storage, and recover from potential boot-up issues. Extensive connectivity options, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and RJ45, make it versatile for work and play. The HP Pavilion 15.6-inch is a complete solution for gamers and professionals alike. So guys, this was the video about the best laptop for Fusion 360. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comments section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.